Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles at home without a waffle maker. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium and grease lightly with butter or oil. Whisk flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, milk, eggs, and melted butter until smooth, then let batter rest 5 minutes. Pour 1/2 cup batter into skillet, spread gently, cook until golden, flip once, and finish cooking about 2 minutes. Serve with syrup and fresh fruit. Skip the waffle iron and use a skillet, griddle, or oven to get crispy edges and soft centers. For extra crispness, add 1 tablespoon cornstarch to the dry mix and use some club soda for lift. Keep batter slightly thicker than pancake mix so it holds shape and cooks evenly. Cook on medium heat to brown slowly and avoid burning. A short rest helps bubbles form and improves texture. To mimic waffle pockets without a maker, use a ridged grill pan or make shallow ridges with a spatula while cooking. Press gently to shape and keep waffles from running thin, and avoid overcrowding the pan so heat stays consistent. For a deeper pocket effect, press firmly with a metal spatula after pouring batter. If you need to hold waffles, finish them in a low oven at 200 degrees F to stay crisp and warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.